bike was in a crate yesterday morning, and I'm out riding it today with no changes. I've dialed back the compression a fair way, didn't count them, probably 6 clicks from where it was delivered, and the rebound back about 3 or 4. I'm no suspension expert, but it's doing just fine. So the only thing that they've changed is we put some wheels on it off a shop bike, just so we didn't wear out the demo bike tyres today. So no other changes, it is going great. So certainly there's other bikes out there, but I would not discount this bike from your list. Definitely get into your Sherco dealer and check out 300 Sef-R, either in the racing or the new factory. Certainly a great all-round bike.
Go, lad. Hey! Yeah, we'll call that up, eh? Beautiful.
Midway through the ride here, the boys have just headed up to the service station to fuel up. Just had our lunch break, and thoughts on the bike. Well, I've been making it pretty clear as I've ridden the bike. Yeah, the changes for this year, all of them have added up to an even better bike than it already was. So yeah, get on down to your dealer, have a look at them. 2019 Sherco range out now.